DIALux wizard is going to be used to create a rectangular room with recessed luminaires, and at the welcome window there's a button here for DIALux wizards, and the one that's going to be used in this example is quick planning. The example is an office, and it's rectangular in shape. The dimensions of the room are 14.5 by 9 meters wide and 2.9 meters high. The material properties: the ceiling reflectance is going to be increased to 80%, and the wall and the floors are going to be left as they are. The work plane is set at 0.75 meters. For office desks that's fine, and the wall zone, the distance between the work plane and the walls, is 0.5 meter. That should be fine. Next, the maintenance factor. By default it's 0.8, but if we drop down on this list, there's some examples, and a clean room with a 3-year maintenance cycle might be more appropriate. That brings the maintenance factor down to 0.67. Next, I'm going to select the fitting from the catalogue, DIALux, and commercial ceiling recessed C20R. That one there. And to get it into the project, click on Add to Project button and close. There's the fitting. Next, it's a recessed fitting, so the mounting type is recessed. You do have the option to select user defined and set dimensions for suspension height and the mounting height, or the height above the work plane. Next, the luminance average target is going to be 500 lux, so that doesn't need changing, and the layout is 5 rows with 7 luminaires per row. There's no adjustment needed on this window, but it does enable you to shift the whole arrangement of luminaires along the length of the room or across the room with a selection of those buttons, or with an adjustment on the distance. The luminaires are modularly spaced, they're not end to end, and so this window is passed over and finish. The calculation can be done straight away. Coming into view is the CAD window, which is showing a 3D view that can be adjusted, rotated with that icon there. The plan view is using that icon. To see a summary report on a single page, there's that icon. I'll use that button to show the full width and give a bit more detail of the results. The average illuminance 570, uniformity over here. UGR, the discomfort glare value, is less than 10 in all directions. And there's a parts list here with the illuminance or the lumen output from a single luminaire there from the lamps, and the lumen output from the luminaire given there. That window can be closed. That's a print preview button, and for a 4-page basic report, click OK, and what's provided is a cover page, a summary or contents, luminaire parts list, the summary that we were just looking at, and that's it. If you want to here, and that will generate a PDF file, and that's it.